welcome back to my kitchen. Today, by subscriber request, I'm going to be making a lemon blueberry picklet. The ingredients that we're going to need are 1 cup of self-rising flour that I've gone ahead and pre-sifted into my bowl, 4 ounces of blueberries, 2/3 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and the zest from 1 lemon. And those are going to be all of our ingredients. So let's go ahead and start mixing this together. And I'm going to start by adding in my egg into my milk. The next thing I'm going to add in is our honey. And I'm also going to add in my lemon zest. And then I'll whisk these until our egg is well combined. All we need to do now is go ahead and pour our wet ingredients into our flour. Make sure you get all that extra honey out of there in case it didn't mix in well. And now we can go ahead and just stir these together. While I'm doing this, I would like to remind you of the Gamers and Geeks playlist that JPickadeth and I have going on in our channels. It's a community-driven playlist made up of you, our friends and YouTube family. If you would like to be a part of it, it's really easy. All you have to do is go out and make a cooking video, and then once you've done that, post it to your channel, and then let either JPick or I know in the comments section of our latest cooking videos, or if you're a part of our Discord servers, you can let us know there as well. The only thing we do ask, guys, is that you mention the Gamers and Geeks playlist somewhere in your video. That way we can just continue to support everybody that's already contributed to the list. So I think that's pretty good. What I'm going to do now is go ahead and add in my lemon juice. I didn't want to add it in any earlier because the lemon juice would have curdled my milk. But at this point, it should be totally fine. And then we'll just stir this in, and then we can add in our blueberries. Alright, there we go. Let's go ahead and add our blueberries in. And then I'll get these folded together, and I'll go ahead and bring over my hot griddle, and we can go ahead and get these cooked up. Hey guys, I've gone ahead and heated up my griddle, and I'm just going to spray with a little bit of olive oil spray. So now all we're going to do is drop these by about a 2 tablespoon scoop size. These aren't supposed to be very big. That is a lot of blueberries in there though. Make sure we spread those out. These blueberries I found are absolutely massive. I've never seen blueberries that big before. There we go. I'll just keep scooping these out until I have my whole griddle surface full of them. Alright guys, these are starting to brown up nicely. Yep, I think that one is ready to flip as well. And probably that one, almost on that one. That one needs to heat up for just a little bit longer, but all I'm going to do is continue to sit here and cook these until they're all done. Our lemon blueberry picklets are finished. I've gone ahead and whipped up some heavy cream, and I've warmed up a little bit of blueberry syrup. And I want to go in here and give one of these a try, see what we think about it. I'm going to start with nothing on it. These are really good. The lemon flavor definitely comes through. These are definitely thicker than your traditional pancake. And I do like the fact that you make them in a smaller size. You could certainly whip up a double batch of these early in the morning and stick them in your refrigerator and have them as a really good midday snack, or even take them with you to work or freeze them for the future. I will definitely be making these again. Well, that is going to be it for me for the day. If you guys have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you guys tried this recipe out, let me know how it turns out for you. Remember to check out the Gamers and Geeks playlist as well as some of my other cooking videos. I'll leave links down in the description to them. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.